Students, our today's topic is AIDS. AIDS. It stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. The word syndrome is a condition which is characterized by a group of symptoms which occur together, that is called as syndrome. AIDS is mainly caused by a virus called as HIV. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. Every year, December 1 is observed as World AIDS Day. A red ribbon, this is a red ribbon. A red ribbon is worn on World AIDS Day as universal symbol of awareness and support for HIV people. The first case of AIDS was reported in USA in the year 1981, and later on in India the first confirmed case of AIDS was reported in April 1886. Hence, India started National AIDS Control Program in the year 1887. The situation is this, that India is a home for second largest population of people living with HIV and AIDS. The present situation till 2018 is there are about 37.9 million people who are HIV positive, and there are 7,70,000 deaths that are caused due to AIDS. So, as we have said, AIDS is caused by a virus called HIV. So, this is the diagram of HIV virus. This shows that in the center there are two single-stranded RNA. The RNA is, or the HIV virus is, Retrovirus. Retrovirus stores genetic information using RNA instead of DNA, meaning that they need to make DNA when they enter a human cell in order to make their new copies or the new copies of themselves. So this is single-stranded RNA, and these dots, they represent reverse transcriptase. This RT, I have written the short form for this. So this is reverse transcriptase. It is an enzyme which is used to generate complementary DNA from RNA template. So this is RNA and this is reverse transcriptase enzyme. RNA is surrounded by two protein coverings. This is one protein covering and this is another protein covering. The immediate protein covering, it is conical in shape and it is called as capsid protein. So the inner protein covering, it is called as capsid protein. It is of P24. The outer protein covering, P17, it is called as matrix protein. This is a lipid coat or a lipid membrane. Impregnated in this or embedded in this are, these are the glycoproteins. GP, this is the short form for glycoproteins. Glycoproteins, that is GP120 and GP41, these are also called as envelope spike complex and are responsible for attachment, fusion and infection of host cell. Whereas P17 and P24 in HIV virus is a non-glycosylated polypeptide chain. This virus, as we can clearly see, it is spherical in shape and is about 100 to 140 nanometer in diameter. So this is the structure of HIV virus which causes AIDS. To infect cells of host, the HIV protein envelope binds to the primary cellular receptor CD4 and then to co-receptor which can be either CCR5 or CXCR4 on host cell. After infection of host cell, these RNA viruses make DNA copy of their RNA genome. The virus, it mainly attacks our immune system, hence the name Immunodeficiency Virus, or we can also say that it weakens our immune system. This virus, it mainly affects or attacks the T cells of our immune system, and hence it is responsible for weakening of the immune system of our body.